Hey guys, this is Paul once again. I'm talking about this Nissan Leaf. It has a challenge, it cannot start. All of a sudden, it's now 2 days, I can't drive it. It just happened one time I came to drive it and it doesn't start. Please advise me, I will be highly appreciative for your advice, just in case if you advise me and then I'm able to start it. Now, when I come to start the engine, this is what it does. You see, now it goes off, and then when it goes off, it buzzes the ABS. I don't know what could be the problem. Now, at first, the last 2 days, it wouldn't engage the P button. Whenever I engage the P, doesn't go into P unless I switch off the engine. Then it goes there automatically. I drove it like for 2 days. Then all of a sudden, I charged it. It was time to go for work. I came to start the engine, it couldn't start. I don't know what I can do, but it's showing me this icon mainly related to the gearbox. I think it's the electric shift control. Please advise me what I can do. Now when you see when this one buzzes, you see it buzzes. I don't know what could be the problem. I'll be so appreciative to advise me what we can do, what could be the problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can follow more videos from me. Thank you very much.